Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order on Shein with credit card. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and log into your Shein account, and once you're on Shein here, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply add any item that you wish to purchase. Just add it to your cart. So just open up any item and then just add it to your cart. So if you just open up or select any item here, and then what you're going to do is simply select it and then just simply add it to your cart. So for example here, just choose your specification, hit on add to cart. So now since I've stuff in my cart, I'm going to go to my cart here. So click on your cart. So this is my cart here, so I've already added this to my cart. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on checkout now option, so that it takes me to this checkout option. Click on it, and then here, once you get to your checkout option here, under shipping address, you can just plug in your address or whatever address that you wish to send it to, and then if you scroll down, that's your order details. And now if you want to use your credit card, then scroll down to payment method. Under payment method, you will see this credit card option here. Simply select that. So click on credit card, and then what you're going to do, click on place order. So when you click on place order, this will take you to your checkout page here, so where you need to enter your credit card details. So when you get to this page here, so all you have to do is simply add in your credit card details. Once done, hit on place order, and that's it. Your order will be placed with using your credit card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful.